The 2026 Dodge Charger lineup expands the 8th-generation model with two headline variants that blend old-school muscle with modern electrification. First up is the Charger 6-pack coupe, powered by a newly developed 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six that produces roughly 420 horsepower and 430 pound-foot of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive, it launches to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds, with distinctive functional Narca ducts carved into their hood, widened fenders, quad-tip exhaust outlets, and unique 6-pack badging to underscore its performance pedigree. Alongside the gasoline coupe sits the 4-door Charger Daytona Scat Pack EV, which uses dual permanent magnet motors, one per axle, to deliver a combined output of up to 670 horsepower and 627 pound-foot. Standard all-wheel drive and a mechanical limited-slip rear differential help the sedan rocket to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, while Dodge's Fratsonic chambered exhaust simulator recreates authentic muscle car rumble for the cabin, and sound system exterior cues include a gloss black, hand-masked hood graphic, an illuminated rear, Charger, light bar, and new 20 and 21-inch wheel designs finished in bronze or black. Inside, both variants feature Dodge's driver-centric cockpit with a pistol grip shifter, heavily bolstered sport seats, and a clean dash that centers a 16-inch configurable digital cluster and a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa integration, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot keep occupants connected, while performance drivers benefit from selectable regenerative braking levels via steering wheel paddles. One-pedal driving mode included on the EV model. Pricing for the 6-pack coupe starts at approximately $59,995, while the Daytona Scat Pack EV is expected to debut near $76,000 once final trim and options are announced. Dodge began taking reservations for both models in summer 2025, with 6-pack production kicking off in the third quarter of 2025 and first deliveries in November 2025 as 2026 models. The 4-door Daytona EV sedan will follow shortly thereafter, arriving at U.S. dealerships in early 2026. By offering a pure gasoline 6-pack alongside a full electric Scat Pack EV, Dodge ensures the 2026 Charger appeals to traditionalists chasing rumbling V6 power and to early adopters seeking one of the world's quickest 4-door electric muscle cars.